fire. 'Cause smoke lingers after fire.
Alright, ladies, gentlemen, and kitties, thanks to Bristol Group here in the Philippines, I'm at the Champ Riders Day Out here in Tagaytay City in Batangas, next to the Taal volcano on my left. And today, I will be bike testing the Bristol Classic 250. So there you go. So this is basically similar to the BR 250, but with a different handlebars. This one is a clip-on, this one is a real handlebar. So before we start, ergonomics check. I'm 6'3", 200 to 220 pounds, with a 35-inch overall inseam with a size 13 foot. On certain incline road like this one, the pegs hits my shin a little bit over there. So let's start it up. Very nice. Similar gauge pattern as the BR 250 there. Another very nice for Bristol. One click start and it starts right up like an electric bike. Well, it has a more hollowed exhaust. It has a different exhaust. It has this Bonneville looking pea shooter compared to this one. So it has a little bit teeny sound in it. So let me ride it a little bit. Let me feel the bike first. This bike, the clutch releases around 30% before full release. The bike revs a little too slow, and it's pretty refreshing to ride a bike that can put like this. The rear brakes is a little bit mushy. The coverage of the side mirror is really good. The articulation is very well articulated. Well articulated. It has a very good range of motion. Let me try the 2-cone slalom. Very nice. There's a gap on the clutch that feels kind of weird at some degree. Very consistent once you get the rear brakes going and your throttle. Let me do the slalom. Very nice. I scraped my peg already on that one. Scrape my right peg. Let me do high speed cross. Oh, there you go. The rear tire locked a bit. Very comfortable bike. I feel more at home in this bike, despite with some niggles that the lazy gas throttle engagement in the tricky clutch. You're pretty much good, especially on the single cones test, like this one. The front brakes is scratching the floor. Yeah, the rear brake pedal is hitting the floor. Last one. Very, very nice. Once you get the hang of it, it really follows your style. That's what makes this bike a little bit more special compared to the BR. Yeah, once with a little bit of practice, you can get along with this bike. It doesn't feel as top heavy as the BR, in my opinion. Because on the BR, if you're at the wrong speed, at the wrong angle, it can get a little tipsy. With this one, you just have to forward your torso, put your torso a little bit forward, and the bike will follow you really well. The clutch is a little tricky. It engages 30% before full release. So that's off, and there you go. This one is like a mini Triumph Bonneville because of its pea shooter exhaust. This one is a mini Truxton with that big exhaust and a cafe racer look. But they both share the same engine, same gauges, I think same suspension too. The only difference is of course the price, the side mirrors, the clip-ons, the handlebar. So let me give you some details between the difference between the BR and the Classic. There you go. Basically, from the tank back, they're the same, except the seats, of course. But the front forks, they're different. The brakes, different, same. The wheels, everything. The exhaust is different. This one's the pea shooter. That one is the cannonball. So, and this lever hits the ground sooner than the pegs. Just be careful when you lean to the right. This will scrape. You'll get caught off guard with that. Yeah, there's some scratches here already. Alrighty, there you go. This is not a taste test. This is not a buffet test. This is a bite test. So, thanks for watching. You can see me on Mel Lapid Vlogs, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, mellapid.com, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.